Sat Shri Akal, my name is Charanjeev and I'm the founder of SingStyled. I hope the viewers of this particular video are safe, healthy and enjoying their time with the family. I know this lockdown has been long and it's quite irritating for many of us. But believe you me, once this lockdown is over, we all are going to step out of the house and run behind our aspirations. And there goes our time with the family. So whatever time we have in hand, I would say enjoy it with the family, and let the family enjoy their time with you as well. This video is dedicated to the Sikh turban. A long time ago, a friend of mine had asked me this question, that don't I feel hot under the turban? I smiled and I replied that no king has ever felt hot under his crown. So why should this Singh feel hot under his crown? My turban is my crown and I'm proud about it. But there was this one question that I came across which made me think deep. Is my turban just an identity or does it have a meaning? One day, while tying the turban, I realized I had the answer for that particular question. My turban is just not an identity. It is a promise to the Almighty. Look, my turban is made up of 5 lads or 5 rounds. Each round or each lad stands for something or a promise. The first lad, when I tie, I promise the Almighty to surrender myself to Him, to walk on the path that He has blessed me with. That's Naam Japna. The second lad, when I tie, it is a promise to the Almighty that I will always stand by truth. No situation will ever shake my belief in the power of truth. And if I know somebody who is saying the truth, I will support him, even if I have to lose my life. The third lad is a promise to the Almighty to believe in hard work, honesty, and satisfaction. So, whatever I do today, whatever task I get in hand, I will perform it to my best and I will leave the result to the Lord. I will actually thank Him for the task that He has blessed me with. The fourth lad is about a promise to the Lord about fearless seva. Look, we Sikhs have been born to serve humanity. To me, the turban and beard is actually a sign to the world that I'm out here to help them. So whenever somebody is in distress or calls me out for help, I will leave all my work and go out there and help them out. You remember the 12 o'clock joke by Santa and Bunta? Is actually, there is a true story behind it. The story is that we Sikhs used to use the Ke Sardar Tere 12 Baje as a call for help. When the Hindu Pandits were getting bullied by the Mughals, were getting harassed by the Mughals, they had come to the Gurus to seek their help. Sardar Jassa Singh was given the assignment to help the Hindu Pandits. Since he had a small army, they had to opt for guerrilla warfare. The idea was that they will hide in the trees, and at 12 o'clock in the night, when the Mughal army is sleeping, they will all jump from the trees, kill the enemy, release the children and the wives of these Hindu Pandits, and take them back safely to their homes. That's fearless seva. The fifth lad is a promise to the Lord to believe in equality. Every Sikh who is born is being trained to respect every human of of any caste, creed, or religion, to respect animals, to respect nature, or anything which the Lord has given birth to. The best example of equality is Langar Seva. If you go to a Gurdwara today and you want to go for Langar, you'll never see tables out there. You will see lines of people sitting on the floor enjoying Guru the Langar. You don't know the guy next to you is rich, poor, or of which caste or creed. You are just there to enjoy the Langar and thank the Lord for the food He served you. And that's the meaning of my turban. Every day when I tie it, these are the 5 promises that I make to my Lord. So whenever you see a Sardar out there, respect his turban or respect his identity by saying Sat Sri Akal or Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. I hope you liked the answer as much I liked sharing it with you. Please take care of yourself, your family, your surrounding, your city, your country, and the world. Rab Rakha.